Hello everybody. I know it's been a while since you've heard from me, but I just wanted to do a quick video here. Thank you to our dear friend who has sent me a couple of more documents from the Pincava Watchtower case in Illinois, and I just can't help but laugh because I mean these elders, the elders who have a good heart, it's going to be difficult for them because Watchtower is going to throw them under the bus and they are not going to get precise legal advice, and this is a good example of why. But the other elders that are so arrogant, depending on Watchtower's legal department instead of checking things out for themselves, I just gotta laugh. I gotta laugh. Okay, now I'm going to put the link down below. Scroll to the very bottom because I have all the documents. The latest ones will be at the bottom. You can grab these. And once again, thank you, sweetie, for sending these to me. Amended factual allegations to defendant's motion in limine number 1. Now comes the defendant, Michael Pincava, by and through his attorney, Philip Prosnitz, and in support of this motion states, motion in limine number 1. Testimony regarding advice of counsel, defendant Michael Pincava, through his undersigned counsel, has informed state attorneys Kennelly and assistant state attorneys Yohash of a more precise recitation of the facts surrounding Michael Pincava seeking the legal advice of legal counsel with the Jehovah's Witnesses at their national headquarters in New York State in 2006, aka Watchtower's legal department. Now remember, in his original paperwork, he said that he talked to an attorney at the legal department of Watchtower and was told that he did not have to report the CSA in his state because of clergy privilege, and we know that is wrong, and he is now being charged, and the court case is going on because of that. So Michael Pincava spoke by telephone with a paralegal at the Jehovah's Witness New York office regarding what legal obligations he had under the Illinois law to disclose any information. Michael Pincava was thereafter notified by the paralegal that the paralegal had spoken with a Jehovah's Witness lawyer, and the paralegal relayed the lawyer's advice regarding any mandatory reporting requirements Mr. Pincava needed to follow on the Hernandez-Pedraza matter and related issues. So now we find out, and he's had to amend his motion in limine now because it wasn't an attorney at Watchtower. Now remember, he was also, him and his lawyer were going to try to subpoena that lawyer to come testify at his case of why he was given the legal advice that he did. Yeah, what a tangled web when you try to cover your backside. Okay, now the state attorneys have filed a motion in limine, and it's great. These guys are great because they word these things so perfectly. I'm not going to read this, but I'm just going to read my friend's email. State People's Motion in Limine number 1, filed on June 14th, 2021. The state is requesting that the court preclude the defendant from raising the claim of ignorance or mistake of law at trial based upon the defendant's reliance on having been given bad legal advice. You know, there's a saying, ignorance is no excuse for breaking the law. So like I said, I'm going to put the link to this down below. You can grab this, and I believe there's one hearing coming up the end of this month, and then the trial the end of July, if I remember correctly. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching. You have a wonderful, wonderful day.